Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be doing this easy festive look. So let's get started, but first like, share and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. For prepping my skin, I am using the Face Shop Chia Seed Hydro Cream. It has a gel-like consistency and hydrates the skin without any stickiness and also adds glow. Make sure you massage it all in till it gets absorbed into the skin properly. I am going to prime my skin with the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Primer. Priming is an essential step as it makes sure you get a smooth canvas to work on and your makeup stays on for long. Then for color correcting my under eyes, I am using this peach corrector from LA Girl. You can completely skip this step if you don't have heavy dark circles. This corrector cancels out the darkness and won't let my under eyes look grey. Now going in with foundation, I am using the PAC HD Liquid Foundation. This foundation gives a semi-matte finish and looks so natural on your skin. Take your own time with blending because the better you blend, the more seamless it will look, so make sure you blend it properly. Next for concealer, I am using the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I like to concentrate the concealer where I have maximum darkness, that is the inner corners of my eyes and a little bit outside. This concealer is very easy to work with, it blends in without much effort. Next for contouring, I am using the K-Beauty Contour Stick. It is so easy to use. I am going to use this under my cheekbones, forehead, a little bit on nose. I like to blend the stick with my fingers. Next, for setting my base, I am using the MAC Studio Fix Powder Compact. This compact just melts into the skin and gives a flawless finish. Before setting my under eyes, I will blend it one more time to make sure there are no more creases and then set it in. Using this dark brown shade from the Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette to fill in my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I like to start with the outer half where I concentrate most of the product to fill in the gaps and then blend it in with the inner half. Doing the same on the other eyebrow. For my eyes, I am using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold Remastered palette. I am using this bronze shade. You can use any bronze color from any palette. I am applying this shade all over my lid. And then blending the edges into the crease. I use a mix of swiping motion and circular motion to blend. Next, using the brown shade, I am going to draw an half-winged liner and then smoke it out. Using Colorbar Ultimate Eyeliner, I am drawing a half wing liner. It is a nice jet black and matte liner. Now using the same brown shade which we used to draw eyeliner on my lower lash line. For mascara, I am using the L'Oreal False Lash Superstar Mascara. It has a white primer kind of a thing at one end which when used gives a nice false lash look. But I am using only the black mascara side as I am going to wear falsies later. For lashes, I am using the PAC Mink eyelashes in M72. Next for blush, I am using my favorite Colorbar Cheek Illusion blush in the shade Sweet Scarlet. By now you must be clearly knowing how much I love this blush and this color. Next, for adding a little more color to my face, I am using the contour shade only under my cheeks. For highlighter, I am using the Makeup Revolution highlighter to highlight my cheekbones, forehead, bridge of the nose, cupid's bow and chin. Also, don't forget to highlight brow bone and inner corner of the eyes because it just instantly lifts up your eye makeup. For lipstick, I am using the Colorbar liquid lipstick in the shade Hollywood. That is it for the makeup. Just add a pair of pretty jhumkas and you are good to go. Tell me what do you think of this look in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.